In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and organize a Notion database. We'll go through the full process in a simple, practical way so you can set up a database that's easy to use and easy to maintain. If you're new to Notion, don't worry. A database in Notion is simply a structured space where you can store information, organize it, and view it in different ways depending on what you need. Start by opening Notion and creating a new database. You can do this from a new page or by inserting a database into an existing page. This gives you the foundation for everything else. Think of it as building the container that will hold your projects, tasks, notes, content plans, or any other type of information you want to track. Next, choose the database type that fits your workflow. Notion gives you several options, including a table, board, list, calendar, gallery, or timeline. A table is great if you want a classic spreadsheet style layout. A board works well for visual task tracking, especially if you like moving items between stages. A list keeps things clean and simple. A calendar is useful for anything date-based. A gallery is ideal when visual previews matter, and a timeline helps when you want to plan work across a schedule. The good news is that you're not locked into just one format forever, so choose the one that makes the most sense for your information right now. After that, start adding properties. Properties are the fields that define what information each database entry will contain. You might add a status property to track progress, a date property for deadlines, a tag property for categories, a person property for ownership, a checkbox for quick yes or no tracking, or a number property for counts, budgets, or priorities. These properties are what make the database useful, so it's worth taking a moment to think about the kind of details you'll want to sort, filter, or review later. Now begin adding entries to the database. Each entry is a record, and in Notion, it can also open as its own page. That means each item can hold more detailed information inside it, which is helpful if you want both structure and flexibility in the same system. Once your entries are in place, create different views for the same database. But this is one of Notion's most powerful features. You can look at the same information in multiple ways without duplicating anything, which makes it easier to focus on the right details for different situations. Then use filters and sorts to organize the database. Filtering helps you narrow down what you see, while sorting helps arrange it in a useful order, such as by date, status, or priority. Finally, review and update your records regularly so the database stays accurate and useful over time. A database only works well if the information inside it stays current. With that habit in place, your Notion database becomes a reliable system you can actually trust.